viewers, it's me, it's Jeremy. It's touchdown here in Seville. Kakarating lang natin. This is Sevilla. From the land of Jennifer. Uy, Sevilla. Yan, and first time, it's not my first time in Spain, obviously. Pero first time ko dito. And sabi nila, Catholicism daw dito, ang pagiging Katoliko, they take it seriously. It's really big in here in Seville. So, it's gonna be hopefully a very heartfelt trip, a spiritual one as well. Let's do it. Let's go explore Seville. Airbnb daw muna. So, mga ano rin yun, mga 6 hours away kami from, mga 5 to 6 hours roughly. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung biyahe kasi komportable yung upuan. Tapos parang ilan lang naman yung stop, 2-3 lang yung stop. So, from Barcelona to Seville, it's about 5 to 6 hours. Hi! Today with James.
Hi! Pwedeng umakyat dun, chef.
Anong ano yan? Complex yan?
Yun ang hindi ko alam. First time ko rin.
Talaga ba? Ayan, so kakarating lang Chinese food ang kinain agad nila Vicky. So hanap tayo mamaya ng ibang local civilian food. Hi! Buenas!
Tardes?
Noche. Ay, buenas
Tardes! Ano
galit
ba?
agad. Galit agad.
Minamali mo ko. Pwede mo mag-yosa dito. Anywho, it's underwhelming. You know?
Un cappuccino, 2 Americano descafeinado.
So this is Plaza La Encarnacion. So the Reincarnation Plaza. So pansin niyo very Catholic nga. Even their plaza is named after the Incarnation of Jesus Christ. According to Christian, kausap ngayon ni...
Di ba may Coliseum dito?
Kausap na ngayon. Nasa daw, ito raw ay mushroom, ito ay setas. Actually, dito mo para siyang oyster mushroom.
Don't beses at taklang.
Dry fruit na nirehydrate sa water so you can chew it. So, yan yung name. Templo Museo de la Anuncion, Panteon de Sevillanos Ilustres. Sila na din may-ari niyan. So, we're walking the streets of Seville. Kahit mga simpleng alley, mga daanan mo, sobrang aesthetic. Parang napakakulay. Kahit na napakaluma din.
Hi! Good morning!
Hi!
Ready na po ang mga...
Tignan mo naman ang posisyon ng ate mo.
Ang mga Cinderella.
At ang Tinder.
Correct. Oh.
Alright, so we're headed to Plaza de España. Yung parang Venice. Pictorial agad, go. Hi. So sobrang random namin. The restaurant we picked was the one outside, right outside Plaza de España. Kung saan kami yung drop-off. Tsaka gutom na rin kami. Welcome to Plaza de España.
54 person.
Oh, pwede na yan.
Pwede na.
Ese yo muyo da partida no. Oh bella ciao.
Bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. So we went up. Ikutin natin tong buong Plaza de España. Try natin. Sila naiwan na sila doon eh. Oh, look at that.
Sabi ni Vicky kanina, nung nakaupo kami, behesan tayo. Taxi, saan taxi? Pa Airbnb. Nung nagkita kami ni Jeremy.
Tuturuan sila. Anyway, papunta na kami na Royal Alcazar of Sevilla. Yeah, so napahinto kami sa platohan dito. Actually, souvenir shop siya. So, nakabili ng plato, mabigat. Uwi na kami. Wala nang Akuzar. Ay, ate. Lang.
Alcazar.
Alcazar pala. Ito ko Akuzar.
Local.
Oo.
Oh, hi.
Where are we going?
We're going back home.
So we're here by the cruising dock. Cruising boats here in Seville, it goes on every hour. So punta lang kayo sa docks. Ito yung landmark. Pero po ng tawag dyan eh. And busy sila. Hello.
Hi.
Busy din si James. Fresh. And so ito raw yung first European space rocket. That one. Ito medyo kamukha ng Harbour Bridge sa Australia. So, we're turning around again. I think pabalik na tayo doon kasi 1 hour lang yung cruise. Meron pong takot mawala ng tongki. Tumalikod siya. Hinarap niya yung upuan sa rapak.
Tignan nyo naman, Diyos ko, makatanggal yung mata ko.
Ano yun? Sige nga, sabihin niyo sa camera.
Balik ko daw yung nose.
Uy, ano?
Kasi na nosebleed siya. Tignan mo, balik ko.
Oo nga.
Ayun.
Paano yung pagkakagawa ni Dr. Charot?
So ano pang balik ko, Vicky?
Correct.
Well, parang
din ang
sapatos
nose
lang
niya.
yun eh. When the nose is crooked.
So we're moving out of our Airbnb. Yeah, pumagpa-araw siya, oh. Oh. European na siya. So, dito sa Casa de la Memoria, pwede kayo manood ng cultural dance, yung kanilang flamenco. And this is it, Georges and Jerry Bear. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Seville adventure with the gang. It was a short and sweet stay, a 3-day stay here in Seville, and it's my first time. So there was a lot of firsts for me, you know? And it was a lot of firsts for you guys too, kayo mga nanonood dyan, kasi para na-experience na rin first hand ko ano yung experience dito by looking through my lens. Anyway, let's move on to the next city. We're going to Madrid next. We're taking the 12 o'clock train, the 2 o'clock train, so that's it in 2 hours. So see you on my next vlog, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, Georges. And maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa aking mga travel adventures. Promise, malapit na magluto. Babalik tayo sa luto na vlog soon.